Here is a list of your join index details. Join indexes are physically stored exactly like normal Teradata tables. Users can't query the join index directly, but the parsing engine will decide when to use it. Join indexes are automatically updated as the base tables change. Join indexes can have non-unique primary indexes only. Join indexes can have non-unique secondary indexes. You can have a max of 64 columns per table per join index. Blob and clob data types cannot be defined in a join index. Triggers with join indexes are allowed after v2r6.2. After restoring a table, drop and recreate the join index. And remember, fast load and multi-load won't load the tables with a join index.
It's time for the Tera-Tom recap and test. The primary index value is hashed to distribute the rows. Watch this very carefully. They hash the primary index value. If this was a row hash of 5, they count over 5 buckets. That's how they lay this stuff out. But that 5, that's its row hash. It goes with it forever. It's the first one. The AMP gives it a uniqueness value of 1. There's that row ID. And so each row in Teradata is going to have a row ID because they're going to sort by that row ID. This is the employee table, and everything's sorted by row ID. The primary index, employee number. Now we're laying out the department table. It lays out, and the primary index is department number. We want to join these two tables together. Since the primary index is department number, but not on the top table, it's employee number, they're going to rehash because we're joining on department number. The top employee table by depno, so the matching rows can be redistributed to the matching amps. And now that everything is on the same amp that joins, the join can actually take place and those rows are joined. That took a lot of movement. And that's why Teradata builds what's called a join index. It does the join, and once the join is taken care of and the results are stored, they'll be stored permanently. Only the parsing engine can get those, but it's out there. So when someone now says, I'm going to join the employee table to the department table, the parsing engine says, yeah, I'll get that for you because I've already got that answer set awaiting. And that's the idea behind a join index. Here's how you create a multi-table join index. Here's how you create a single table join index. It's almost like having a duplicate copy of the table with a different primary index. A where clause is what defines a sparse join index, and of course you can have an aggregate join index. Here's a global multi-table join index, and you can see the row IDs included so it can go back to the base table faster. Join indexes, they're physically stored. Users can't query them. They're automatically updated. They can have non-unique primary indexes and even secondary indexes. Max 64 columns. Blob and clob types can't be defined. Triggers and join index are allowed since v2r6.2. And if you want to learn more, you can play Terra Trivia. It's such a fun game, and you'll learn all about Teradata while having a good time. I've had a wonderful time myself. Thank you, and have a great day.
This lesson brought to you by Coffing Data Warehousing. Need to learn SQL for Netezza, Teradata, or Aster? Visit coffingdw.com for our helpful training guides. With Tera-Tom, SQL stands for So Quickly Learned.
Hi, this is Tom Coffing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please hit subscribe to make sure you are kept up to date on all our videos.